Here's my top tip for a much maligned vegetable, one that I don't particularly like. I especially don't like them boiled, but I do like them fried. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fry them with a bit of chorizo. So I've got the Brussels sprouts, just taken some of the outer leaves off them, and I'm going to halve them, season them with some salt, and then it's just some olive oil into a pan, and in they go. Those will take probably 4 or 5 minutes to cook, so I'm just going to chop up some chorizo here. So they've been cooking for about 3 or 4 minutes. I mean, it looks so Christmassy. Look, all the reds and the greens and the kind of browns. So that's it. That's my top tip for cooking Brussels sprouts. Just fry them with chorizo.